Hey guys, so today's workout is going to be 4 rounds for time, 400-meter run, 5 man makers with 35-pound dumbbells for the guys, 25-pound dumbbells for the ladies, and 25 double unders. This workout will probably take 12 to 16-ish minutes, depending on how fast you move through these movements, how good your double unders are, how consistent you're going to be in the man makers, that kind of thing. So let's talk about the movements and different scales. So first off, 400-meter run. Obviously you can scale that back if you need to, 200-meter run, that kind of thing. You don't want to be doing the run portion for more than 2.5 minutes, so scale accordingly. If you're not gonna run, you can always do a 500-meter row. Second portion, man makers. There's a lot of moving parts that make up one rep. So for this movement, dumbbells are both in hand, you're in a plank position, arms fully extended. You're going to lower down into a push-up, so chest and thighs lower down, press back up. From there you're going to do a right-handed row driving the elbow back, then a left-handed row driving the elbow back, another push-up. Then you're going to bring both feet to the outside of your dumbbells. This is the bottom position, your starting position for a squat clean thruster. So from here, shoulders, hips are going to rise at the same time, big shrug. You're going to drop underneath those dumbbells into a squat and then push and stand up overhead into a top of the thruster. So this movement is push up, right arm row, left arm row, push up, squat clean thruster. And that's 1 rep. So first scales, you obviously can lower the weight, so lighter dumbbell. If you can't do push-up or row fully extended, you can do the push-up and the row portion from your knee. If you don't have any dumbbells, you can use a backpack, fill a backpack. You can use a med ball if you have it, something like that. For that movement, you would start in that push-up position, in that plank position. You would do a push-up, and then you would bring your arm to opposite shoulder, shoulder tap, other arm to opposite shoulder, shoulder tap, another push-up, and then bring both feet to the outside of the med ball or the backpack and do your squat clean thruster. So that's for our man maker. Last movement's going to be double unders. If you cannot do double unders or cannot do them well to get 25, you can do 75 single unders. If you do not have a rope at all, then you can do 25 penguin jumps. For this, making sure while both feet are off the ground and you're mid-air is when you're going to double tap your thigh to mimic that rope going twice underneath your feet. And so those are the scales, those are the movements. Have fun, guys.